I'm so hungry. Do you have any food?
I got a soda, curly fries, and of course a crispy chicken sandwich.
That looks nice and juicy and yummy. I know, right? Ay, give me my sandwich back. No. Please, I'll do anything for you to give my sandwich back. Okay, I want you to do 3 things, then I'll give you your sandwich back. Okay, what are the 3 things you want me to do? Number 1 is to eat the hottest chip in the world. Okay. Damn, that was very spicy. The second thing I want you to do is do a cringe video. Okay.
I'm becoming BTS!
That sucked so much, but I'll accept it. The last thing I want you to do is sing an Asian song. Okay.
Super Idol 的笑容都没你的甜，那宇宙的阳光都没你阳光，大宇宙的你，滴滴青春的蒸馏水。
Can I have my crispy chicken sandwich back now? Sure, here you go. Why does it have poop in it, you little dumb piece of?
I got soda.
Super Idol 的笑容都没你的甜，八宇宙的阳光都没你耀眼，热爱105度。